Well guys, I'm just out here at the Super Cub. I bought this new little patch cord here from NFlight to try and patch in my cockpit audio onto my GoPro videos here. So I give it a try in the house. I'm using my little ICOM handheld there, and it works kinda. So that little ICOM obviously doesn't have an intercom, so it picks up the audio when I key the mic, and it picks up, you know, the tower. I could tune in to the AWAS there and picks that up. So I come out the Super Cub, turn on some power here, and see how it works through the intercom. So I got my new Garmin in here, built-in two-place intercom, so perfect for the Cub. So anyways, let's see how it works here. Get her plugged in. Okay guys, got her plugged in here, so I can see on the screen of the GoPro there's like a little gauge basically, and it's looking like it's picking things up, so we'll be able to tell when I go in and check it out. So don't know if I can pick up AWAS here. Give it a try. Yeah, I'm not picking it up in here inside the oh, just had a little bit of a blip there, but inside the steel hanger we barely get it when we're on the ground here, so when we're outside. Anyways, looks like my patch cord's working. Only thing I gotta try out is there's a spot with this mini C or whatever it is, the USB-C, to plug in a power cord to the GoPro, so that'll be pretty handy. This new GoPro13, the battery life on it is actually substantially better than all the others. So anyways, this is an NFlight cord. Bought it off Amazon. Came in a couple days. And first little try here works pretty good. I guess we'll see how it does with the engine running and everything else, and with some radio chatter, but pretty sure it's gonna work. Try a couple other stations here maybe. We're gonna try ground. No, nothing there. There we go, got something.
Oscar 1498, tower number 1.
Number 1, Oscar 1498.
So it's kind of odd that the AWAS doesn't pick up. Oh well, that's all we needed, was a little piece there to see if it works, so right on. Okay, I'm gonna go in the house and plug the GoPro into the computer there and just see how things work. But from what I'm seeing out here, looks like it's working good. Right on. Make our flying videos a little funner here coming up.
Pasco 1498 tower, wind 330 at 8, clear to land runway 33. Clear to runway 33, Pasco 1498.
Right on. Okay. We'll go in and see what this sounds like, and if it's all good, we'll post it up. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye.